Question 1. What hovered over the face of the waters after the heavens and earth were created? Option A, wind. Option B, Spirit of God. Option C, darkness. Option D, water. Time to think. The right answer is option B, Spirit of God. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verse 2. Question 2. What did God create on the first day? Option A, light. Option B, land. Option C, sky. Option D, water. Time to think. The right answer is option A, light. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verses 3 to 5. Question 3. What did God create on the second day? Option A, birds. Option B, plants. Option C, fish. Option D, clouds and sky. Time to think. The right answer is option D, clouds and sky. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verses 6 to 8. Question 4. What divided the waters above from the waters under? Option A, the sky. Option B, the sun. Option C, the firmament. Option D, the land. Time to think. The right answer is option C, the firmament. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verse 7. Question 5. What did God call the firmament? Option A, earth. Option B, sea. Option C, land. Option D, heaven. Time to think. The right answer is option D, heaven. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verse 8. Question 6. What did God create on the third day? Option A, animals and man. Option B, land, plants, and trees. Option C, sun, moon, and stars. Option D, birds and fish. Time to think. The right answer is option B, land, plants, and trees. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verses 9 to 13. Question 7. What did God call the dry land? Option A, earth. Option B, heaven. Option C, sea. Option D, land. Time to think. The right answer is option A, earth. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verse 10. Question 8. What did God call the waters that were gathered together? Option A, heaven. Option B, firmament. Option C, seas. Option D, earth. Time to think. The right answer is option C, seas. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verse 10. Question 9. What did God create on the fourth day? Option A, birds and fish. Option B, animals and man. Option C, sun, moon, and stars. Option D, land, plants, and trees. Time to think. The right answer is option C, sun, moon, and stars. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verses 14 to 19. Question 10. What did the lights in the firmament divide? Option A, day from the night. Option B, land from the sea. Option C, heaven from earth. Option D, light from darkness. Time to think. The right answer is option A, day from the night. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verse 14. Question 11. What did God create on the fifth day? Option A, land, plants, and trees. Option B, birds and fish. Option C, animals and man. Option D, sun, moon, and stars. Time to think. The right answer is option B, birds and fish. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verses 20 to 23. Question 12. What did God create on the sixth day? Option A, sun, moon, and stars. Option B, land, plants, and trees. Option C, birds and fish. Option D, animals and man. Time to think. The right answer is option D, animals and man. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verses 24 to 31. Question 13. In whose image was man created? Option A, Eve's. Option B, the devil's. Option C, God's. Option D, Adam's. Time to think. The right answer is option C, God's. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verse 27. Question 14. Who was to have dominion over the earth? Option A, woman. Option B, animals. Option C, angels. Option D, man. Time to think. The right answer is option D, man. The Bible reference is Genesis, chapter 1 verse 26, 28.